I know everyone likes to trade NVIDIA. All right, so NVIDIA is pretty not bad. Okay, so you could see here down at the bottom is 9:30 in the morning. That's when the market opened up. And then you could see like before that, that's pre-market trading. It's like a light blue because obviously there's not that much volume. And then when the market opened up, this is where program trading kicks in. And you'll notice that that red line right there, the bigger, the thicker the red line means the more orders are at that specific price. So when you're looking at a chart and you want to try to figure out what is support and resistance levels, well, let me just be clear if everyone understands something. Support and resistance level does not exist unless the buyers and sellers are out there. So as much as you might think there's support and resistance levels in the past, the only way it's going to be existent now, you got to see in the future. So right here, we're seeing two very large orders between 138 and 140. And you got 900,000 shares at 138, and you got another 146,000 share seller right at 140. Now we're trading at 130. So you're talking about $8 to $10 away. Now, let me just bring up a chart really quick here. Maybe this will explain a little bit better. Now, if I zoom in over here, and if I drew a trend line, you could see here clear as day, back on this day right here on June 20th, the high was 140. And when it hit 140, it came right back down to 120. So you're like, okay, well, that was a resistance. How would you have known that? Now, you could slap any indicator, anything on there. You won't see it because you're breaking all-time highs. But the reason why, and if you had a game plan and if you saw that order, you probably would have got out, right there because that's a big block order. And then you could see how it came back to 120. And then yesterday, it tried to go to 135, never got to 140. So you're kind of getting a sense of direction of, okay, maybe I want to do some program trading. Maybe I want to put my limit orders out there, my stop order losses. Now you're seeing the stop orders losses out there where the street is. So you're basically seeing about right here, about maybe 50% of every single order in the entire world that is trading NVIDIA. Now, it's funny. I posted a video on this yesterday. I do a lot of short videos on my YouTube and Instagram, TikTok, whatever you're a fan of. And it kind of went a little viral. And I always get a lot of questions and people says, oh, you know what? How do I know these are real orders? How do they fake? Or, oh, that's not really a lot because stock trades, with the split and everything. Listen, they're real orders, number one. If you don't believe me, go execute it. And number two, you know what? Is it going to hurt you, not to know where the street is? I mean, I was always taught when you think you're smarter than them, that's how you're going to lose. You don't need to be a leader, just be a follower. And NVIDIA is just one of several that we could look at, but that's basically in a nutshell. Kind of just gives you an explanation of where's support, where's resistance, because it's those buyers and sellers that make those support and resistance levels.